When many people hear that sound, they automatically think about a duck. Others may have not recognized that sound. Many people think about ducks as just being animals that live on a farm and say quack. So I've decided to tell more about a specific type of duck. This is the most common duck in our area. It is called the mallard duck. I've been an avid outdoorsman and duck hunter my whole life. I've seen my fair share of mallards, and I can tell you about their migration habits, what the male and females look like, and specific uses in some of their most important body parts. First of all, mallards have very specific migration habits. Mallards migrate south because of the weather. The biggest reason is because snow covers the ground and it covers up their food supply and they can't eat. There are four major flyways: the Pacific, Central, Mississippi, and Atlantic. Mallard ducks are very unique in appearance. The male mallard is called a drake. Males have a bright green head and neck, and they also have a white ring around their neck. They have a brown colored breast and a blue square of feathers on their wings. Males have a yellowish bill, and the female duck is called a hen. Females are very plain. They have beige, tan colored feathers, and some have white striped feathers along their wings. Females also have a yellowish bill with a black patch in the middle. Mallards have special body parts that are important for their survival. Let's talk about their bills first. The bills are broad and flat and have rows of fine notches along the edge called a lamellate. This helps mallards grip their food. They use their beaks to move around mud and find insects, snails, and seeds in the water. Ducks also have special feet. They are webbed and used for swimming. They act as paddles for getting away from all their predators. They also have no blood vessels or nerves in their feet, so they can swim in extremely cold water. Another vital body part of the ducks are their wings. Everyone knows they use their wings to fly, but most people don't know that their feathers are completely waterproof because of a gland that produces oil near the duck's tail. Under the layer of feathers, there's a second which actually keeps the duck warm under the waterproof feathers. In conclusion, we go back and review about what we talked about. Mallard, drakes, and hens are very unique. We talked about their migration habits and how they are correlated with the weather patterns. You also learned about how males and females both have very distinctive characteristics so that we can tell them apart. And lastly, you've learned about the important parts of their body that they use to survive in the wild.